Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, good morning, everybody. Well, that's how we do a left-hand gas pedal. Now, the one on the right of the brake pedal is it's just a guard, so that you can't hit the right-hand gas. And there's just a roller that sits up right there, and when I push down on my side, it rolls on the gas pedal. Okay, we're gonna have some views of this on my way up the mountain, so we'll see you on the rest of the trip. Bye now. Okay, that mountain just on the right hand side of that truck is where I'm going. It'll be about halfway up there. It's an old extinct volcano. Beautiful day. I really should have done this last week when all the leaves were on the trees, but it's still pretty nice today. I love this drive. Makes me feel good. Alright folks, this is the end of the drive. I got about another kilometer to go, and we'll see you at the pouring bench. A beautiful day. Well, good morning, YouTubers. So today, there's my logo bar. We're gonna do one of these for Lady Bullion and her fella for all the wonderful things they've done for me lately. And there's a set of wings, and I'm going to do those for my friend Life with Laura Michaels. Very, very unique nurse that's going through a real hard time in the last couple of years. She won my very first giveaway, so we've been good friends ever since. So I'm going to get some Petrobond happening here, and we're going to do those pours and maybe some gummy bears or another Christmas tree. Yeah, there's a Christmas tree. A little plaster of Paris thing I make, and with 50% wood glue and then a good coat of crazy glue on the back side gives them some extra strength. So, onward. Okay, so what we came up with today was one logo in 4/9 fine for the fine lady bee, 2 wings for Laura Michaels, 2 Christmas trees, and a sugar skull for somebody out there. So let's get started with the logo bar here and see what we can do for pours today. BB, Boeing. This one's for you guys. There you guys go. Little, fire out. Great stuff, great stuff. And we'll see these all at the end here. Okay, here comes a Christmas tree for someone. Okay, getting there. So we have a sugar skull for someone. I believe this one is going into the auction with redneck metals. Bunch of fellas. I just recently joined up with those guys for a little more coverage and some more company. But a nominal 3 ounces. Okay. All right, Laura. This one's for you, my old friend. There you go. Put that up for a bit. Put the fire out. And that will be the end of the pouring. We do have one more left to do. And if we see these all again, they'll be much prettier than they are right now. So thanks a lot for being here. I always appreciate every time you guys come. Again, we'll thank Canadian Silver Saver for the stand-up job that he does on these videos. And I love you all. You guys really mean a bunch to me. Take care.